Today, you don't have to chase positivity. It is already moving toward you. As a new morning gently unfolds before you, take a slow breath and let your shoulders soften. Now, relax, open your heart, and begin these affirmations to attract positivity and joy. I am breathing light gently this morning. Joy rises with the golden sunrise today. The universe greets me with kindness today. My heart opens to warm positivity today. Peace flows softly through my being now. I attract bright, gentle, joyful energy today. Blessings find me in every moment today. Light surrounds and protects my spirit always. Goodness moves toward me naturally each day. My vibration grows calm and radiant today. I am guided by loving universe today. Miracles ripple gently into my day now. Joy follows me wherever I wander today. My mind rests in bright clarity today. Warm, positive energy fills my body completely. I welcome light with open heart today. The day unfolds in gentle harmony today. Every breath invites fresh blessings into me. I trust joyful paths appearing ahead today. The universe carries me lovingly all day. I radiate calm, warm, positive light today. Happiness flows to me effortlessly right now. Kind moments meet me everywhere I go. My day is wrapped in protection today. I walk in gentle, universal grace today. I am safe, surrounded by light today. Joy expands gently inside my chest today. The universe aligns doors for me today. Good energy travels with me always today. I attract easy flowing happiness all day. My morning glows with quiet beauty today. I welcome miracles into ordinary daily life. Warm joy travels through my veins today. The world meets me with kindness today. I move softly in positive rhythm today. I release worry, welcome gentle peace today. Light guides every small decision I make. Joy sparkles around my presence all day. The universe supports my steps today fully. I breathe gratitude, attract blessings right now. I am magnetic to bright joy today. Opportunities drift gently toward me this morning. Kind energy surrounds my journey all day. I trust the unfolding miracle of today. My heart shines steady, peaceful light today. I step forward wrapped in joy today. The universe walks softly beside me today. Every moment blooms with kindness for me. I carry calm, radiant positivity all day. Joy remains with me, always and forever. Now, focus on your breath, gently bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in, feeling the power of these affirmations rooting deep within you, and exhale, releasing any doubt. Carry this calm energy with you as you move through your day. Remember, positivity surrounds you and joy flows naturally to you. Return to these affirmations whenever you need to realign with your light. If you enjoyed this session, subscribe and come back anytime. Have a great day and see you in the next session.